I'm Kevin with GunSkins. Today we're going to be walking you through an install of our rail skin kit. You can see I have my Kryptek Highlander AR-15 skin installed on the gun. I left my rail on the top so we can get you guys a good look at how those rail skins going. So our first step in the process is to make sure we get these rails good and clean. It's a real small area, so you need to get the best adhesion you can by getting that rail as clean as possible. I hit my rails with my frog lube solvent. Just gonna spray it on there nice and even. Let it sit. I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna use my bigger brush so it gets down into all the contours, down where those rails are gonna be sitting. I'm just gonna scrub it through. Wipe clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off my first row, and it comes off like a ladder. All the little pieces attached on the outside, and I'm going to temp it up to set it in place. Alright, so you can see I've placed my rail skin, same as all of our other stuff. If you don't like where it's at, you pick it back up, put it back down, reposition it, get it where you want it. You just kind of start walking them into place. Just get your first couple set, you want to take the tool, press it into place. That's going to help hold everything where you want it while you're walking it in on the rest of the rail. Put a little bit of pressure on it, walk it in. Put a little pressure on it. Work your way down the rail. It's pretty common. So right here where we're getting to the end of our receiver, got a little extended, a little bit bigger piece of rail. We're just going to cut this off. Reposition this second piece. Starting just past that. Do the same thing, get it into place. Tool, extend. You need to cut in along the tighter edges. You can use the plastic edge instead of the felt edge. The felt edge just fits perfect in those rails. Sharp knife obviously is key. Got those where I want them. I'm going to hit it with heat now. Work my way down. I'm going to get this good and hot to where the metal is actually retaining that heat. And I'm going to press down in there just like I did when I was working the rail in with that felt piece. And just press on it so it sticks good down in the bottom. And once we get past that, I'll fold those edges over and show you how that goes. Just that combination, heat and pressure down with the tool that makes these stay. And for the edges, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plastic side of my tool, tuck it up against them, press it underneath. Same deal. Them where you want them, and the heat's what sets it. So this is kind of a detail part, so I'll take each of these little pieces here. Just going to plop them up there, and you want to try and keep them in the same order, starting from the same end that your rail started from, and all the lines will come together across the rail. And it looks like more of a daunting task than it really is. It goes by pretty quick. Same deal, you put them in place. You don't like where they're at, pick them back up, hit them with heat when we're all done, and that's what sets them. All right, so I got all my pieces in place, and same as every other part and piece, I'm gonna hit it with heat. I'm gonna get it good and hot, and then I'm gonna use a piece of foam, press on it, and that sets it all in place. All right, so you can see we have our railskin kit completely installed. Gives the gun a nice finished look. All the little parts and pieces are covered now, and it's ready to go put to work. Thanks for watching.